I suddenly have another idea. What if we completely cover all 9 cameras on the Tesla? Will it crash into a wall immediately after going out? After all, electric cars crashing into walls is quite common nowadays. Today, let's take a look at the various cameras on the Tesla and what they do. First of all, I'll cover all 8 external cameras to see without the visual system, the front millimeter wave radar can still independently detect the vehicles ahead. It seems that with the front radar covering up, it doesn't display any vehicles on the screen, but in reality, there's a vehicle ahead of us. Next, let's park by the roadside and activate the 2 cameras on the fenders to see if there is any change in the display of the infotainment system. Okay, we slowly enter the lane. There are lane markings on the road. It appears that there isn't much change. Oh, you see that? Faint flashes of lane lights appeared for a moment, but it seems like it still cannot identify them. Later on, I separately activate the cameras on the B pillar, powering up the fender cameras, but the test results are the same. Even when I simultaneously activate the 4 side cameras, the result remains unchanged. No detection of any vehicles of lane lines. Alright, let's activate one more camera. I will start by activating the middle camera of the front triple camera setup. With this, a total of 5 cameras are now active, and the lane lines finally appear. However, the movement seems a bit jittery. So far, not a single adjacent vehicle has been recognized. Next, let's try activating side cameras. This brings out both lane lines completely, but the inner lane line covered by the obstructed camera appears somewhat distorted. Some surrounding vehicles are still not recognized. Let's uncover one more. I'll block a single side camera. The lane line seems to be dancing to a rhythm. Surrounding vehicles are still not recognized. However, when I only block the middle camera, the lane lines on the both sides appear normal, but surrounding vehicles are still not detected. So all in all, the front triple camera setup still plays a significant role. Now what do you think? Are these cost-effective vision-based algorithm camera reliable? So follow me to explore some different contents together.